Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video we're going to do a case study video for a mobile windshield repair client, I believe out in Michigan. We have to double check when we get into the ad group, so I'm not really sure. Small budget, $40 a day, and I'm going to run through this with you guys and kind of show you statistics they're getting over the last 30 days and show you how we do it. So before I get into that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a mobile windshield repair business and you want more leads, there's a link to apply to work with us in the description of this video where we can clone all of this and roll it out in your location and turn on a lead generating system for yourself. All right, let's get right into it. Mobile windshield repair, $40 a day budget, so a pretty modest budget. Goes to show you don't need a ton of money to make this work and get a lot of leads. In the last 30 days, which is September 20th to October 19th, 2020, today's actually the 20th, but that's fine. 65 clicks, 856 impressions, 7.59% click-through rate. Average cost per click is $13.13. 29 leads in the last 30 days at a cost per lead of $29.43. At a conversion rate of 44.62%, which is pretty wild. That's on definitely the higher end of conversion rates for us. So if we go into the ad groups here, you're going to see where they are in Michigan. I thought so. There are a ton of different ad groups. We're running target CPA bidding strategy, trying to get leads for about 40 bucks. So you can see that the leads are coming in much cheaper at $29. And we got some SCAG ad groups in here with just single keyword ad groups. And you can see here just a bunch of geo ad groups and all of the different mobile type windshield repair ad groups and everything that's driving leads. So if you go into keywords, you'll see here we're going to go through our top converting keywords. And that is right here. So windshield glass repair, windshield replacement, Kalamazoo windshield repair, car window repair, auto glass replacement. So there's a lot of very specific keywords, right? And these are all exact and phrase match keywords too, which is pretty cool. So the traffic is very clean. It converts very highly, probably because our message match is right on, right? So there are people searching for windshield replacement, windshield repair. We're showing them ads that talk about that. We can come out and the client can come out to their house and do it in their driveway and fix their stuff. And then it goes to a landing page and it says the same thing, call to get an immediate over the phone estimate. And that's what people are doing, and that's why the conversion rate's so high. So very simple, very basic campaign. Not much to it, small budget, but feel free to take these keywords for yourself, guys. These keywords are good, but keep in mind also your call to actions, your ads, your landing page all has to make sense. You can't just run a bunch of keywords to a random website. And also make sure your tracking is set up, okay? It's very important. If we go into our conversion tracking for this client, we have a few different things going on here that we're tracking for this campaign. So we're doing phone calls, which is anyone who clicks through our ad and goes to the landing page and calls one of the tracking numbers on the page. In the last 30 days, we've gotten 8 of those phone calls. And then we're coming down to contact form leads. So this is name, email, phone, type of glass needed repaired or something like that. It's a drop-down box with window, windshield, or it might be even replacement or repair. I forget. It's a drop-down box. I know that. And there's 8 contact form leads with that. And then we come down here. Here we go. This one is the one we're using. Call extension lead, and that is just a call tracking number attached to the Google ad where someone who's on the mobile device can just click the call right from their phone. And we have 8 inbound phone calls from that. So there's a few other conversions in here, but these are from Google Local Actions, which is basically the location extension stuff and Google Maps and stuff like that. So I'm not counting those in this campaign, even though they did come in, leads did come in. But I'm only counting what we're actually tracking in the campaign. And that is 29 leads, $29 a lead. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below this video. If you want to run this campaign for yourself, for your business, your windshield repair, auto glass repair business, just reach out in the description and hit the apply link. If you want to learn more about building campaigns like this, you can also go in the description and check out some of our training videos. Our channel is huge now. I think it has like 700 videos on it, and it's all Google ads. So hop over there and check that out. All right, guys. See ya.